Army Jeep sounds like that. This is cool. That's I swear, that cab almost, it looks like something would have come on it.
I got big roll that broke down and come over, and the other door was sitting in there. I just left that door off so it's easy for me to get in and out.
That is cool right there.
That's you. You pull it.
It's got shoots lights and everything. Them tires look like you climb a tree with it.
They will. The tips are still on them. They ain't got 5 miles on them.
Now, what year is this Jeep?
61.
61. Golly, that's cool.
Whenever I got out of service, they had them. There was a young 151s. I don't know what this one is. But they were selling them. You could buy them.
289.
Yeah.
But they cut them in two right through here.
Really?
You had to buy half. You could just buy them in half. They could
Well, ain't that crazy?
sold this junk, and if you see one, what's the
Yeah,
somebody will be back together.
That's funny.
Cut them in two.
Yeah.
That is cool right there.
I hate to see stuff setting up. This car and that black car was built right before I got it. And I've had it for 30 years.
Yeah, I mean, you had a long time.
30 years.
Golly, this thing is cool. The top and all.
And everything, new seals, and I've been taking the top off, putting it on a big dolly in there.
Right.
And it flexes, and I take the glass out of it because I don't want to crack it.
Yeah, you're probably smart about that.
And they're new glass too. I just put that bench seating up for my grandboys.
That is cool. Yeah. And you said this was a what year?
61.
61 Willys Army Jeep with a 289 out of a 68 Mustang. Wow. That's something you just don't see every day right there. 61 Willys with a 69 289 4-barrel. Hooked up with the 4-wheel drive and all, still works, all the lights and everything. That is cool.
Yeah, I got that one in Durham.
You just don't see stuff like that every day. This is Field Agent 880. This is the kind of stuff you find when you're hanging around with Field Agent 413. The cool stuff. Golly. That thing had three or four shifters in the floor. I ain't sure how that 4-wheel drive system works. But looking at it, it's still 4-wheel drive.
Right.
Those tires, those Army issue tires. That is cool. Really?
That's what somebody told me, a UPS man told me.
Army green.
And down Squires Road.
Uh-huh.
There's a shop down in there. I reckon before you go, on the other side, I reckon the pond's still in there too. Charlie Rose built a house in there.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Helped him a lot.
Him and my grandson used to run around together.
Cassie and the 4-cylinder sitting there. I was going to go over and see if they want to sell it. It looked like I needed nothing, but I mean, they're hard to come by.
Yeah.
And them old 4-cylinder, they were tough in these things. I put them in my